As the health of the Russian leader Vladimir Putin appears to be in decline, some are questioning if the Kremlin is currently using a body double to cover up his death. For months, rumors of Putin's declining health have swirled around as some believe he has blood cancer and bathes in deer antler extract. Meanwhile, a TikTok claiming he has the symptoms of Parkinson's disease went viral. The leader has kept any personal issues very close to his chest, but according to MI6 experts, Putin's death would likely be covered up for weeks, if not months. Ukraine's military intelligence chief has revived a theory that Vladimir Putin is using body doubles and has pointed his changing years over the years as proof. The 69-year-old Russian president's health has been the topic of fierce discussion among commentators. His close ally Nikolai Patrushev is said to have stood in for the president during his medical appointments. This week, Ukraine's Major General Kirill Budanov appeared on TV to claim to viewers that Putin's height and ears have changed in recent appearances, The Sun reports. He said, "The picture, let's say, of the ears is different, and it's like a fingerprint, each person's ear picture is unique. It cannot be repeated." Budanov further alleged that Putin body doubles have different habits, different mannerisms, different gaits, sometimes even different heights, if you looked closely. Budanov had previously claimed a Vladimir Putin body double may have been used for his arrival at a summit in Tehran last month. Intelligence. While the Russian leader looked awkward as he came down the steps of his presidential plane in Tehran, Ukrainian sources noted he moved unusually quickly and was more alert than in prior public appearances. The Russian premier looked animated when greeting the waiting party before removing his jacket and clambering into a heavily armored limousine. Budanov said he was suspicious of Putin's appearance in a live interview on Ukraine's 1+1 news channel. Ukrainian reports said Budanov suggested a Putin lookalike could have flown to Tehran to meet with the presidents of Iran and Turkey. "I will only hint," he said. Please look at the moment of Putin's exit from the plane. Is it Putin at all? The Russian leader's visit to Tehran, where he met Iran's leadership, plus Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, attracted worldwide attention. It is only the second time Putin has been abroad since launching his brutal invasion of Ukraine 5 months ago. In one video, Erdogan kept Putin waiting, with the Russian ruler appearing ill at ease as he shuffled his feet and made strange facial movements. But earlier Ukraine did not suggest this was a Putin double. At the time, official Anton Gerashchenko posted on Telegram, Erdogan made Putin wait during the meeting in Tehran. The whole spectrum of emotions of the humiliated and insulted furor is on his face. The bunker is indeed the best place to stay with such a face. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.